In this video, I'll show you how to print from a PC Windows computer. Could be a laptop or a desktop, does not matter. So this can be done three different ways. You need to pick one of these. The first one is to connect your printer, no matter which brand you have, to your Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network as your PC is currently connected to. Then method number two is by using one of these. It's a USB cable that has a printer connection and a USB connection on the other side, in case you don't want to use the Wi-Fi at all. And finally, the last way of connecting both is what we call Wi-Fi direct, which means that the printer itself will have its own Wi-Fi hotspot, Wi-Fi connection, and you're going to connect directly with the computer to that Wi-Fi without having to go through your home Wi-Fi network. On your PC computer, all we have to do is to click on the Windows logo. Could be over here, or sometimes it's on the corner, on the left corner. Once you click on this, you're going to select Settings. On the left side menu over here, you're going to select Bluetooth and Devices. And on the right side, we're going to go down and select Printers and Scanners. And now over here, you're going to see all the currently connected printer. If you used one of these USB cable to connect your printer to your computer, you're going to see your printer appearing over here. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 minutes. The driver will be downloaded automatically. But in some cases, it's different. You're going to have a button over here saying download driver. And once you download driver, you'll be able to use that printer. If your printer is connected using Wi-Fi, so to your Wi-Fi network, the same as your PC, you need to click add device. All the printers currently on your Wi-Fi will appear over here. So you may have just one or multiples. This one is the OfficeJet Pro 9120E, so I will click add device. And now you have to wait because you're going to see it will be connecting. It will be again downloading any drivers that it needs to work. Just be patient. Usually it takes a minute or 2-3 minutes depending on how fast your internet connection is. You see already here. At the end, your printer should be added in the list. So over here, this is the one we just added. If you click on it, you'll have a few options. But overall, this is it. Let me show you how to actually print. So open any file you want to print that is located on your PC, or it could be a web page as well. Let me open this one over here. And you should have the print icon somewhere. Mine is over here. If you're on a web page, let's say I'm on Wikipedia, I want to print this page. Depending on which browser you have, you're going to have 3 dots or options over there. And then you're going to have the print option appearing. Click on it. You're going to have a preview appearing here. And on the left side, make sure that under printer, you select your printer. Then the number of copies. And you're going to have more options depending what you're trying to print. Do you want to print in black and white? Do you want to print on both sides of the page or just one side? Depends if your printer is capable of this feature. Oh yeah, and pages over here. Do you want to print the whole thing? This is 27 pages. Maybe you just need page 1 and 2. So you can, put the number of page you the range that you want. And then by going down, you even have more settings. You can select which paper size you have input in your printer, if you want to scale or zoom in, and other stuff, including the quality. If you're printing, let's say, a picture, you better select the highest quality possible. But here, since it's just text, I can even select 300 dpi, and it will be enough. At the end, press the print button. The print will be sent to your printer, and usually in 15 seconds you should have some results, depending how fast your printer is printing. Here we go. So this is how you print. Now, if you want to use the scanner of your printer, because many printers these days have a scanner integrated, all you have to do is to put your paper on the scanner, and on your PC, you're going to find the search bar. On the search bar, you simply have to type scan, and you should get the scan app. If it's not installed on your computer, go on the Windows Microsoft Store and download it. It's made by Microsoft and it's a must-have app. It comes included with many different Windows computer, but if yours does not have it, don't worry. Just go there, it's free, download it, and then you'll be able to select your scanner, the scanner of your printer. You're going to have a few different options, and press the scan button once you're ready to scan. And yeah, this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.